I discuss about what are the integers. You know about whole numbers. We discuss about whole numbers. We discuss about natural numbers. And we discuss about integers. If you do remember, boys, what are integers? Integers are negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. याद आयु?
Yes, sir.
याद आयु के ना आयु, boys?
Yes, sir.
Then I went through the topic named number line. I hope you do remember how to draw a number line. I told you all. What do you mean by number line?
Yes,
याद
sir.
छे
Yes,
કે
sir.
ભૂલી ગયા? Up till number line, we went through the topic up till number line. Then you were not having the mood to study at that time, so we just left for the content up till number line. How do we draw a number line? We have to draw a line with two arrows. તમે ફિફ્થ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં કઈ નંબર લાઈન કરતા હતા? તો કે a line with two arrows two end arrows, okay, and you were supposed to ask to place 0 2 4 5 and 7 on a number line. For example, you were supposed to place, so આપણે પહેલા તો એ ખબર જ છે હોલ નંબર પ્લેસ કરવાના છે, right, on a number line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This was the number line what we were drawing before in fifth standard. याद છે કે ભૂલી ગયા?
याद છે, sir.
Out the whole numbers. તમે સ્કેલ તમારી ખોલો, તમારી સ્કેલમાં આ જ રીતે હશે, starting with 0. All the number lines starting with 0. Ruler આવે ને, ruler, that is also one number line. Are you getting? So in fifth standard, you were supposed to mark whatever digits you were being asked, you were supposed to mark like this. So 0, 2, 4, 5 and 7 as there was. So this was our answer. Are you getting? આપણો આન્સર હતો પેલા. યાદ આવ્યું કેમ
Yes.
કરતા હતા આપણે?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now we have to place a number line with the negative integers as well. So how to place the negative integers along with it? If it is asked, chalo, mark 4 minus 5 and minus 6 on a number line. Barabar? So what we will do, we have to draw here a number line. Okay, these are the three integers what we have to mark here on a number line. So we will draw a number line like this. Number line without two end arrows is not possible. Okay, boys? समझ पड़े छे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Minus 6 minus 7 minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 then 0 then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Sorry, yes, okay, let it be. Chalo, you got the content? I'm sorry. Now, can you see here? You got a 0, you got positive integers, and you got negative integers for a number line. Everyone, are you getting the number line?
Yes, sir.
Boys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now what we have to do here? We have to place the whole numbers on a integers on a number line. So we have to mark here 4, so we marked 4. We have to mark -5, so we marked -5 here. We have to mark -6, so we marked -6 here. Now check here. જે સૌથી નાનો નંબર છે એ આપણે એની પછી એક નંબર લીધો છે, then 4. We took up till 9. We can take up till 5 also. Huh? No need to go up till goes on. These arrows means what? It can be goes on from right side and left side. Now you mark out 0 will be in between negative integers and positive integers. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Then second thing, you can mark out all the negative integers are towards left hand side, which is beside 0, which is going beside 0. Can you see? And all the positive integers after 0 going towards right side. If you can see here. Yes or no? બધા right side જાય જ ને?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second thing I want to clear is that if I say 0 is greater or 1 is greater here,
Sir, 1 is greater.
1 is greater or 2?
2.
Okay. In the same way, 8 is smaller than 9. That means 9 is greater than 8. So, જાય છે કેવી રીતે? Ascending order માં જાય છે from 0 to 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, according to the number line, the all digits, whatever integers we place, it is in ascending order. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં? In negative integers, -1 is always greater than any other numbers. જેટલો મોટો નંબર હોય ને નેગેટિવમાં, for example, it is -10. So -10 will be smaller number than as compared to these numbers. Now -7 is smaller than -6. -6 is smaller than -5. The -4 is greater than -5. Are you getting my point? समझ पड़े છે
Yes.
કે નહીં? So
Yes,
which one
yes,
is
sir.
greater, -2 or -1? So -1 is greater than -2. So in negative integers, the smaller number is bigger number and the bigger number is smaller number. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so this number line is always in ascending order. समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are in next topic, adding using number line. Adding integers using number line. Okay. Adding using number line. More, less. Now listen, how to add this? How to add this? How can we recognize whether we have to add this or not? So a word will be written like that, more. More means we have to add to it. More ave more. More means what? We have to add something on it. And less means? Less
Minus.
means we have to subtract
Minus.
something from it. Very good. Add and subtract. Is that clear, boys? Now,
Yes, sir.
what we have to do here? What we have to do here? Again, if the statement is written like this, two more than 4. That means, understand the
6.
English, what is written. What is written? Two more. Two more came 4 ma. That means on a number line. See, let me tell you one thing. આપણે ખબર છે કે 4 plus 2 is 6. But this is not to be answer given like this. Are you getting? બધાને ખબર છે 4 plus 2. 2 more than 4 means 4 માં 2 add કરીએ તો 6 આવે. That is not the answer that we are finding out. We have to draw a number line. What we have to draw? A number line, and we have to add that thing on a number line. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will take 0, 1, 2. See, let me tell you one thing. 0 positive integers, negative integers, and yes, positive integers, negative integer, and 0 are compulsory on a number line. Without that, nothing is possible. Make sure of it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you got this up till 8. Okay. જ્યાં સુધી લેવાય ત્યાં સુધી we have to go up till -1, -2, then -3, -4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now what they have told, 2 more than 4. So 4 is over here. Can you see? We have to move
Yes.
2. More 2. More. What આવી ગયો? More means what?
Add.
Add. That means if we are adding, we will move towards right side. Which side? If we
Right
add,
side.
we will move towards right side. ભલે negative numbers હોય કે positive numbers હોય. If we are adding, we are moving towards right side. And if we are subtracting, we are moving towards
Left
which
side.
side? Left hand side. Very good. So now we have to move right side. How many steps? 2. Okay. Because we have to add 2 more. 1 and 2. What is our answer we got here?
6.
समझ पड़ी गया how to add this on a number line, and we have to place
Yes,
an
sir.
arrow like this. That means we are moving towards right side. This arrow
Yes, sir.
shows that we are moving towards right side. Anyone is having any doubt to this?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
In the same case, if we take this as in a negative content, chalo. So 2 more than -4. 2 more than -4. So 2 is added to -4. The answer will be what? The answer will be -2. I know that. But this has to be done on a number line. समझ पड़े छे कि नहीं? How?
Yes, sir.
That -4 is the main number what we have to follow here. -4. So we will mark -4 here. Now 2 more. More means what? More means what?
Add.
Add. That means if we have to add, we will move towards right side. 1 step and 2 step. The answer is what?
2.
-2.
-2.
And we have to add. That means we are moving towards right side. Any doubt here, boys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. In the same case, I will give one statement as let me go through with 4 less than 5. Chalo. 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5. Now, what is this statement belongs to?
Minus.
4
Subtract.
less. Word કયો આવે છે બેટા?
Less
Less.
means subtract.
That means we have to subtract if this is our number line. Okay? ચાલો હું મૂકી જ દઉં નંબર લાઈનમાં. minus 8, minus 9, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let us keep up till here, up to 8, 8. Okay? And એવું જરૂરી નથી હો કે અહીંયા -8 લીધું એટલે આ સાઈડ 8 સુધી જવાનું. Not like that. It depends on the digits what we have to form. But compulsory 1 or 2 digit has to be shown. ભલે નેગેટિવ ઇન્ટીજર્સનું આપણે કાંઈ કામ ના હોય તો પણ નંબર લાઈનમાં ફોર્માલિટી માટે -1 -2 સુધી તો દેખાડી જ દેવાનું. 0 we have to show. ભલે કાંઈ કામ ના હોય. Are you getting? Without that number line is not possible. If we do not want any positive integers, then to अगर आ साइड नंबर વધારે લેવાના હોય, that means up to 1 and 2 you have to take on a number line. Are you getting, boys? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now what it is written here? Who will tell me? What is written, boys? What is the
Less.
statement? Huh?
Yes.
ચલો રીડ કરો. કોણ રીડ કરશે? કયો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ લખ્યો સરે? બોયસ.
Okay, sir. -8.
એ
-7.
છોકરા, I am talking about statement. નંબર લાઈન કઈ રીડ કરવાની છે? નોનસેન્સ.
4 less than 5.
4 less than 5. Now less is written, that means we have to subtract. 4 કેમાંથી less થાય છે? 5 માંથી. So 5 is our base number. Now we have to deduct 4. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. What is the exact answer we got? We know that 5 minus 4 is what? 5 minus 4 એટલે શું? બધાને ખબર પડે, નાના બચ્ચા નહીં તો કે 1 આવે answer. But this has to be shown on a number line. So this is what we have shown. Now direction we have to give as moving towards left side. Understood?
Yes, sir.
5 minus 4 we got as 1. In the same case, 3 less than -2. Chalo, next step. Next statement. 3 less than -2. હવે શું કરવાનું છે? Our base number will be what? -2.
Yes, sir.
-2 માં શું કરવાનું છે? 3 steps less. That means 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. Where we got less means what? Moving towards left side. બરાબર ને? So we got as -5 here as our answer. Any doubt, boys?
No, sir.
No,
Sure?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Now our next topic is solve integers using number line. We have to solve integers. Okay, means what? We have to add, subtract and we have to give the answers on a number line itself. Okay, chalo, new topic name, solve integers on a number line. Sorry. Integers using number line. Okay, chalo. Now what we have to do here? If, for example, it is given here, uh, 9 plus minus 6. Okay? What we have to do here? 9 plus minus 6. Okay? Now we got a number line here. See, is this a number line taken here? We will add integers. હવે 9 તો આપણે લેવાનો જ છે, તો 9 and 10 here I am taking, boys. See, બરાબર? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Now what we have to do here,
Yes.
we have to solve this on a number line. How to solve this? First, we can check here 9 plus minus, open this bracket, plus minus is minus and 6 as it is. So you will get 3 as your answer. 9 minus 6 is 3. But how to solve this on a number line? Our main number, that which is base number, we have to go and check here as 0. 0 થી સૌથી પહેલો નંબર કયો છે આપણો? What is our first number?
1, 9.
1 છે. 9. So we will directly go up to 9 here. Okay. Where we went? We went up to 9 here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
From 0 to 9, because first number is 9. 9 માંથી હવે minus શું કરવાનું છે? 6. That means we will move 6 steps towards left side, because we have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the answer we got here?
3.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં what we did?
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
in this we have to place an arrows like this, see, because we are moving towards left side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And in this we are moving towards right side. Okay. Anybody
Okay.
has any doubt?
No, sir.
સમજાઈ ગયું how to solve the integers on a number line?
No, sir.
ન
Yes, sir.
સમજાણું?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ચલો.
Yes, sir.
चलो, in the same case, new example, minus 5 plus 10. Chalo. New example I'll give you. In this only we will solve. And now rub કરી નાખું છું. 1 મિનિટ ઉભા રહ્યો. Okay. चलो, minus 5 plus 10. Minus 5 plus 10. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No
Now,
doubt.
what is our first position? From 0, we have to check our first number. What is first number? Minus 5. So we have
Minus-
to go up to minus 5. Okay? समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to add minus 5 માં add કરવાનું છે. શું add કરવાનું છે? 10. That means we have to move 10 steps towards right. Add કરવાનું means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What is the answer we got?
5.
समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? And આ બધામાં તમારે right side નો arrows મારી દેવાનો. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this was the topic named solve integers using number line. Now adding, subtracting without number line. We will solve the integers without using number lines. we will add and subtract without using number line. હવે સર અહીંયા તમને કન્ફ્યુઝ થતા હતા કે સર આ કઈ રીતે કરવાનું, સર તમે કેવી રીતે કરો છો? So now sir will explain you કેવી રીતે કરે છે. Okay, because we are in that topic that we are using the integers without number line. Okay, we are solving the integers without number line. First thing we have to remember is that if we are having plus minus, we have to do minus. What we have to do here? Plus minus minus. There are rules that we have to remember. Minus plus again minus. Plus
minus
plus. Minus હવે સાંભળો, have to remember this. See, can you check? See, these are the answers. આ answer column છે. Okay, સમજાય છે? Now if we multiply these two, plus minus, in answer you will get, we have to do minus here. Plus minus minus, minus plus minus, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. સમજાય છે? Now how to remember? Sir, આ તો બહુ confusion વાળું છે. When we are dealing with two opposite signs, જો plus and a minus opposite sign છે, plus and minus. When we are dealing with two opposite sign, it will be always minus. Okay, છે minus here. Here also minus plus opposite sign, we are dealing with minus. If we are having same sign, it will be always plus, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. સમજાય છે?
yes sir
કે નહીં?
yes sir
So plus minus is always minus. Okay, minus plus is always minus. Plus 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 and minus minus plus.
Plus.
So your job is to remember these signs. Okay, આપણી job શું છે? Sign remember કરવાની છે. જો now what is this? Minus 5 plus 10, minus plus શું બોલાય છે? Minus plus, તો શું કરવાનું છે?
minus
So 10 minus 5, તો આન્સર શું આવ્યો? 5. And now મોટો ડિજિટ કયો છે? 5 છે કે 10 છે?
sir 10
10 ની આગળ કઈ સાઇન છે? પ્લસ છે કે માઇનસ?
sir plus
તો આન્સરમાં પ્લસ 5 આવશે. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં?
yes sir
સમજ પડી ગઈ?
yes sir yes
So
sir
we have to deal and we have to do the sums. જે બોલાય એ કરવાનું. That means plus minus 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 બોલાય છે તો માઇનસ કરવાનું. બટ મૂકવાની કઈ સાઇન? ઘરમાં જે મોટા કઈ સાચું. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? સો સૌથી મોટો ડિજિટ હોય એની સાઇન મૂકવાની. Is that clear?
yes
You
sir
got it?
clear
Now 11 plus 6. If there is nothing in front of 11, it is automatic plus. કાઈ ન હોય તો plus હોય જ hidden, huh? Boys. So plus plus આપણે શું મળે? Plus plus
minus
plus
Sir,
plus
plus.
minus મળે?
sir plus
Plus. So 11 plus 6 is 17. Now મોટા ભાઈ કોણ છે બેમાંથી? 6 કે 11?
sir 11
11 ની આગળ કાઈ નથી. That means it is positive only, right? So 17 answer is also positive. સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં?
yes sir yes sir
Same way if I say 11 plus minus 6, chalo. Now what we have to do here? Our job is to open the bracket. Okay, now 11 is as it is, plus minus is what?
plus
Minus. So minus stays. Now plus 11 is here and minus 6 is here. So 11 minus 6 is 5. મોટા ભાઈ કોણ છે બેમાંથી? 11 છે કે 6 છે? 11 is
Sir, 6.
positive or negative?
Sir,
So 5 is positive as your answer. समझ पड़ी गई?
yes, sir.
बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
No doubt.
पाक्कू ने?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, if I give an example minus 11 and minus 6, chalo. Now, minus minus.
Sir, now it is. Sir, now the answer will negative.
First of all, minus minus
Plus.
plus. Minus minus બોલાય છે શું plus. That means sum આપણે શું કરવાનો છે plus નો. 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay? હવે મોટા ભાઈ કોણ છે બેમાંથી 6 or 11?
Sir, 11.
11 is positive or negative?
Sir,
The answer will be minus 17. Have you all understood, boys?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Can understood.
Now, in the same case, if I ask you minus 11 plus 6, chalo. Now, minus plus
Minus.
minus.
Sir,
એટલે
minus.
કરવાનું minus 11 minus 6 is
5.
5.
5.
Now, which one
Minus
is greater number?
11.
11.
11 is positive or negative?
Negative.
Sir, negative.
જો એક જ સમ છે 11 અને 6 વાળો એમાં ચાર ટાઈપના આન્સર આવ્યા +17 -17 +5 and sir got your -5. ચેક કરો how only with the help of playing the signs. સાઇન સાથે પ્લે કરીને ચારે આન્સર લગાવ્યા. Got it, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Make sure જે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને બોલાય ઈ સમમાં અપ્લાય કરવાનું. If it is said plus minus minus બોલાણું, that means we have to apply subtraction. But we have to keep the sign of which the greater person in the elder person in the house is always correct. Are you getting? The greater digit is always correct. That means the greater number કયો છે 11 છે કે 6? So 11 પાસે પ્લસ હોય તો પ્લસમાં આન્સર આવે, 11 પાસે માઇનસ હોય તો માઇનસમાં આન્સર આવે. જો આમાં 11 પાસે પ્લસ છે તો પ્લસમાં આન્સર આવ્યો, આમાં પણ પ્લસ છે તો પ્લસમાં આન્સર આવ્યો, આ બંનેમાં 11 પાસે માઇનસ છે તો માઇનસમાં આન્સર આવ્યો બંનેમાં. સો
Yes, sir.
જે બોલાય ઈ સમમાં અપ્લાય કરવાનું એન્ડ મોટા ભાઈ ઘરના કઈ એ સાઇન મૂકી દેવાની. ઇઝ ધેટ ક્લિયર બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
પાક્કું ને?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So with the help of this adding and subtracting without using number line, we are completing our topic. This was about addition. In the same case, we can talk about subtraction. So 11 minus 6. So we can easily subtract this. 11 minus 6 કેટલા થાય? આમ ખબર પડે. No need to do this. 11 minus 5. So this 11 has nothing in front. The plus to hશે. Are you getting? Plus 11 minus 5. So answer is 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
11 minus, if I say minus 5, then so what will be the answer? 11 as it is, this minus minus will be
Plus.
plus 5. Okay, so 11 plus 5 is
Is equal to 16.
समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं? This is the subtraction we are doing. आनी पहला આપણે શું કરતા હતા? Addition. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
if
sir.
I say minus 11 minus 5, chalo, then now minus minus
Plus. Equal to plus.
11 plus 5 is 16. Now which one is greater digit?
Sir, 11. So it is negative.
So answer will be negative. If I say for the same minus 11 minus -5. Chalo. Then our answer
Sir,
will be
minus
-11
minus
as
5.
it is, minus minus plus 5. Minus minus શું થઈ જશે if we open this bracket
Yes.
plus 5. Now minus 11 plus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 is greater, so minus 6 as our answer. Again, we got positive 16, negative 16, positive 6, negative 6 with the help of sign. So, with the help of this topic, we have completed our chapter number 6. What we have completed?
Chapter number 6.
6.
આની બહારનું કાંઈ છે જ નહીં. Okay? We
Yes,
are going
sir.
to start with this X 6.1 as our exercise 6.1 in our next lecture. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So I want you all to refer all the contents what we studied from textbook one time. Chalo. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your next 3 lectures, boys. Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Have a nice
sir.
day.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Shafiq.
Shafiq Bhai.